Alright guys, we back with a video today, but this one is a little bit of a different video than we usually do. We have an unboxing of some car stuff here, so we gonna show y'all today. Background sound, buddy. Hush it. Let me open this up for y'all. One hand not doing it. Okay. First thing in this box we have, this is, let's see what this is. That looked way bigger in the picture. What the fuck? First impression of that is what the fuck. That looked huge in the picture. It looked like about the size of my mouse in the picture. That's small. I see what they be saying now. What the fuck is that? Okay, we got a mute and shift knob. Okay. We have pacifiers I ordered for my daughter. Put those over there. That's not car related stuff. I was like, what is this? And here guys, we have a tow hook I got for the RSX. Because the one on the TSX, I left that one on there. And if y'all don't know already, I got rid of that. So, got me another tow hook, tow strap, tow hook, whatever you want to call it. It didn't come with a bolt like the other one did. But we got that. We're going to set that over there, shift knob. Oh, and my bolts. My colored bolts, bro. This is what I was looking for. Like this is what I was really looking forward to. My colored bolts. Not really colored bolts, but these little washers right here. The little bolts in them. See, let me see if I can put the dang thing through there. I can show y'all one how it's supposed to look. But anyways, it's supposed to look like that. And I think I got like 2-3 packs of them for real. They only sent me one quick release. Oh, they only sent me one freaking quick release pin. Damn, really? Wow, that's a oof on that. I was looking forward to them too. I don't know what this one is, but we're gonna see. Customs probably opened that and left my shit out, bro, for real. These should be, what is this? That's Virginia. Oh, these are basically another set of them. So I got like 20 of these all together, so yeah, that's what that is. Ooh, my valve stem caps. I forgot about them. But we got all red stuff here. You wanna hold the camera? Actually, we're just gonna cut them open. Here we have these valve stem caps. I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's what but these are aluminum. Here are my valve stem caps. So y'all can see, I pretty much got everything red. As y'all can see, got the red hooks. I was supposed to got 2 of these, but they only sent me 1 in the pack, which is a big oof. They don't send me 1 of everything. Oh wow, we're supposed to have another little pin in there too. And more stuff for my daughter. But yeah guys, we got one more package here for the unboxing. Ooh, that almost took it off. This is light, it feels, man, I guess I know for next time for teaming. Okay guys, last box. Can't have pregnant ladies standing over here all day long. Y'all see what that say on it, right? Yeah. Let's see what we got in this box. What we got in this one, y'all. I'm gonna turn it over to cut it, but I don't want y'all to see my address. I have to cover that up. Okay. Take this out of said box. Actually, let's just cut it. He better have gave me a sticker. Oh, is there a sticker? Oh yeah, we got a sticker, boy.
Let's do this sticker.
Stop, dude.
Oh.
Yeah. But there's a little card. Thank you, my man. Thank you. We got the JackSpania racing sticker. I'm definitely slapping that on the RSX, bro. Okay, let me set all this out to show y'all before I end off this part. Okay, let's see. Hold up. Jesus. I look slow. I can't open up a box. Try not to show my junky little office space. But anyways, guys, here's a belt. That's the belt for it. And here is the thing itself. Okay, so here we have the pulley. This is all from JackSpania. This is the mounting brackets and bolts for the power steering delete kit. Here is the bracket for said power steering delete kit. Now let's take this out and get a look at some of this packaging. Some of this engraving. Look at that. I might actually powder coat this stuff white, y'all. Let's take a look at the pulley too. That pulley. Alright guys, so we're back with part 2. Part 1, I didn't show y'all this, but I put this together. That's how it's supposed to look right there. Put that together. I forgot I had another package, but we have a Mugen radiator cap. See, we got some zip ties. We got this Mugen Power sock cover, and we got these mirror visors. Yeah, y'all enjoyed it, like it, subscribe. You know, y'all will see me putting all these on in a separate video, especially this, so stay tuned. Peace out.